tweeting the agency's reputation is, quote, the worst in history. Fired FBI Director James Comey then responded with a quote from his own Capitol Hill testimony earlier, saying, the FBI is honest, strong, and will always be independent. Margaret Brennan has more from the White House.
What has been shown is no collusion.
President Trump insisted over the weekend that his campaign did not coordinate with Russia to influence the 2016 election.
There's been absolutely no collusion.
His former national security advisor Michael Flynn had just pleaded guilty to lying to the FBI about his Russian contacts. The president then unleashed an attack on the FBI, saying on Twitter its reputation is in tatters and accused it of a dishonest investigation of Hillary Clinton.
We swear to tell the truth.
Former Director James Comey testified that the president fired him after the FBI did not honor his request to stop investigating Flynn as part of the Russia probe.
What he wanted me to do was drop any investigation connected to Flynn's account of his conversations with the Russians.
The president denied that account, but seemed to suggest that he was aware that Flynn had lied to the FBI, tweeting Saturday, quote, I had to fire General Flynn because he lied to the vice president and the FBI, which raises new questions about what the president knew and when. South Carolina Republican Lindsey Graham warned the posts appeared incriminating.
You tweet and comment regarding ongoing criminal investigations at your own peril. I'd be careful if I were you, Mr. President.
Sources close to the White House tell CBS News that in an unusual move, it was the president's lawyer, John Dowd, who helped write that tweet. Congressman Adam Schiff said it hurts the president.
He wanted to protect Mike Flynn lying on his behalf. And then you do get very close to a case of obstruction of justice.
Well, a top FBI agent suspected of sending anti-Trump messages is no longer part of the team investigating Russian interference in the election. Special counsel Robert Mueller removed the agent over the summer, but we are just now learning about the move.
The Justice Department has been investigating whether the agent sent anti-Trump text messages. CBS News Justice reporter Paula Reed is standing by in Washington. Paula, what can you tell us about this agent and Mueller's decision to remove this agent from the investigation?
Well, Peter Strzok is a top FBI investigator who's been working alongside Special Counsel Robert Mueller. He also was a key player in the investigation into Hillary Clinton's use of a private email server. But it was revealed that he sent politically charged text messages to another member of Mueller's team, Lisa Page, who's an FBI lawyer. After this, he was removed from the Mueller investigation, and he now works in the FBI's HR department. Of course, Republicans are using this development to question the integrity of both the Clinton email investigation and these ongoing Mueller probes.
So, Paula, I want to also ask you about this fallout from Michael Flynn's guilty plea. President Trump tweeted over the weekend that he had to, quote, fire General Flynn because he lied to the vice president and to the FBI. We now know that the president's lawyer claims he actually wrote that tweet. How problematic is it, regardless if the president's